Hello friends, all of you are welcome in the lecture of vocabulary by SK sir. In today's lecture, we are going to cover the topic trending words. The words which are frequently used for a certain time are known as the trending words. For this lecture, we have taken 4 words which are used widely nowadays in our society. The first one is outbreak, endemic, epidemic, and pandemic. Now, in this slide, the arrow shows the severity of these words. The first outcome of a disease is known as the outbreak, or you can say when the first disease is countered, it is known as the outbreak, and the wider and larger phase of a disease is known as pandemic. One by one, we will take the definition of all these terms. The first one is the outbreak. An outbreak is a greater than anticipated increase in the number of cases. It can be a single case in a new area. If it's not quickly controlled, an outbreak can become an epidemic. For the example of outbreak, we can say once the coronavirus was detected in the Wuhan city for the first time, it was the example of outbreak. Now the second term is endemic. An endemic is a disease that affects to a particular people of a community or region. The effect of the coronavirus in the Wuhan city, especially in the Wuhan city, is an example of endemic. The third term is epidemic. An epidemic is a disease that affects a large number of people within a community, population, or region. Once the coronavirus spread all over the China, it was the example of epidemic. Now the fourth term is pandemic. A pandemic is an epidemic that spreads over multiple countries or continents. One more slide for the pandemic. A pandemic is an epidemic that travels. In other words, we can say that in pandemic, P indicates that pandemic has a passport. From these 2 slides, it is clear. Nowadays, the situation of the coronavirus is a pandemic. The whole world is suffering from its effects. Overall, there are some few major points which will cover the importance of these. All the 3 words, that is endemic, epidemic, and pandemic, are Greek words. In India, these 3 words are described in Epidemic Disease Act 1897. This act has total 4 sections. Section 2 of this act delegates the power to state or central government to impose this act. Section 3 of this act describes the punishment in which offender is charged under Section 188 of IPC. Lockdown term is used in Disaster Management Act 2005. That's all in the today's lecture. Very soon we will come with the more trending words in the next lecture. Thank you, and I will request all of you to subscribe this channel. Thank you.